Hey guys, in today's episode, I'm going to show you something really quick today. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to enable Hyper-V. Now, Hyper-V is a virtualizer that runs on Windows 10 Pro and that allows you to run virtual machines without having to buy or install any other virtual software like VirtualBox, VMware, or things like that. Now, as you can see here on my taskbar, I have VMware Workstation Pro as my main emulator for virtual machines, and I'm going to continue using that. But what I plan to use Hyper-V for is I plan to access a Hyper-V server that I can then manage instead of having to log in and use PowerShell commands instead. So what we're going to do, first off, we need to type in turn on or turn off Windows. Actually, no, we'll do it this way. Go to Control Panel, Programs, turn Windows features on or off. We'll bring up a list, and here you can see this Hyper-V. We just want the management tools. Search for the required files, and it will apply the changes. And there you go. And just to check it works, just to check it works, type in Hyper-V to just check if it comes up. Now, unfortunately, my desktop has a problem, so it should come up like this. And there we go. So this is Hyper-V now. Oops, I just minimized it, stupid me. And as you can see here, we now have that working. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to configure Hyper-V and how you can actually connect to a server using Hyper-V. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.